Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren felicitated Captain Soiba Maningba Rangnamai today at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal in praise of his act of bravery in the face-off between Indian Army and Chinese PLA in Galwan region of Ladakh on June 15, 2020. Captain Soiba Maningba is currently with 16th Bihar Regiment. He hails from Katomai of Senapati district. Speaking at a felicitation function, Chief Minister Biren lauded the valor of Captain Maningba, saying it is matter of pride for the state. Biren asserted that his courage and patriotism is commendable. Chief Minister Biren, meanwhile, announced a ₹2 crore project to build a memorial park at Manipuri Hill where Major Bob Ralengo Khating, a hero, was cremated. Major Ralengo Bob Khating is instrumental in bringing Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh under the Indian Union. Biren also announced to expand the INA Memorial Complex at Moirang where Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose unfurled the tricolour. The government will also preserve and protect Koyangai Airfield and Palel Airfield as historical sites. These two airfields were built and used during the Second World War. Uripok Apunbalup and Uripok Apunbanupilup have imposed a 12-hour ban along Uripok Kangchup Road in Imphal West from 6 am protesting against shop construction by All Manipur Bar Association Amba near Chairap Court Complex located at Uripok. A report said the police detained two Bund supporters this morning. They are identified as UYDC President Yumlembam Romeo, age 54 years, son of Buddha, and UYDC Secretary Kuraijam Danish, age 40 years, son of KH Raghumani. Uripok Apunbalup Joint Secretary Larikengbam Bedik told media that the government's apathy has worsened the matter. He added that Uripok residents are angry at Amba's move. He also condemned the police for detaining the two strike supporters and demanded immediate release of the duo without any condition. 6 men were killed in a dynamite blast in Karnataka's Chikkabalapur district today when they were allegedly trying to dispose of illegal explosives, according to a media report. D. Sudhakar, who is the minister in charge of the district, said the explosives belonged to the legal quarry that were closed down on February 7 for not storing explosives properly and not having an engineer at the site. Reports added the explosives were moved using a mini truck and 2 others accompanied it on bikes. Police have identified 3 owners of the quarry and legal actions has begun. India's daily cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 fell to 10,584 and fresh fatalities remain below 100 for the 13th time this month, taking the country's tally to 1,10,16,434 according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare this morning. There were 78 fatalities in the last 24 hours, which have taken the death toll to 1,56,463, the Health Ministry's dashboard showed. There are 1,47,306 active cases of the coronavirus disease this morning, lower than 1,50,055 reported yesterday, data also showed. Hauchong Village Chairman Chari Bariam has warned of boycotting upcoming Independence Day celebration at Hauchong Subdivision if the authority concerned fails to complete the construction work on TD block under Hauchong Subdivision before August 15 this year. Talking to reporters today at the TD block construction, Chari Bariam said that Hauchong Subdivision has 16 villages and that the previous state government had issued an order for construction of the TD block on August 7, 2014. The current government has taken up the construction work of the TD block under 2017-2018 budget and that 90% of the construction has been completed.